Hannah. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited before, it's good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. I am super excited about today's video. I have an adorable but unusual Easter wreath to share with you. It is beautiful and unusual because I am participating in the Unusual Easter Wreath Challenge. It's hosted by Kiki at Kiki DIYs, and her co-host is Leonette at DIY Beauty on Purpose. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of my upcoming Easter or springtime fun. Now let's get to my craft room. Let's check out this beautiful but unusual Easter wreath. Come on, let's go. Grab your coffee. Mine's a hot press today. Or what is it called? Not a hot press, French press, but it's hot. Come on, let's go. Let's go do this. My unusual wreath is inspired by my daughter's Easter tablescape. She asked me to make her Easter wreath using her tablescape as inspiration. Watch this video and let me know what you think. Did I hit the mark? For this project, you're going to need some paint, some ribbon, a few of these small styrofoam eggs, a feather boa, some of these plastic eggs, some bunny ears, a wreath form. I chose this wood blend wreath, and some spring flowers. Everything except the paint and the flowers are from the Dollar Tree. I started by painting the eggs using 2 coats of paint, and then I set them aside to dry while I worked on the wreath. Next, I attached the bunny ears to the top of the wreath using plenty of hot glue for a secure hold. Next, I attached the feather boa to the front of the wreath with hot glue. After gluing down the feather boa, I noticed that there were some bald spots on the wreath, so I went around the wreath, gluing down some feathers, making the wreath look fuller and more neat. Next, I cut a 12-inch piece of ribbon. I tied a bead on each side, and then I cut it in half. Can you guess what these are going to be? I took a piece of ribbon, cut it in half lengthwise, and then I wrapped it around the egg, covering the seam where you open the egg. Next is the fun part. I've made my final decision of where to put all the flowers and the eggs, and now I'm attaching them to the wreath. Well, this is really coming along. We've got the speckled eggs, we've got the bunny ears. I think it's looking a lot like my daughter's inspiration piece. What do you think? What would a chick bunny be without her dangling chicken legs? We can't forget those. Did you know that that's what these were going to be? I'd like to take a moment to thank our host for this unusual spring wreath challenge, Kiki at Kiki DIYs, and her co-host Leah Knepp at DIY Beauty on Purpose. Their channels and the playlist for the unusual spring wreath challenge are linked in the description below. Make sure to hop on over to their channels for some beautiful inspiration and to the playlist for some unusual spring wreaths. Now let's continue with my unusual spring wreath. Well, I thought I was done, but when I hung up the wreath up on the wall, it looked a little bare in the middle to me, so I decided to make a little Happy Easter banner. I used my stamps and some scrapbook paper and some white cotton twine to make the banner. I attached the Happy Easter banner to the center of the wreath using hot glue. Once I had the banners centered on the front the way I wanted them, I went ahead and glued the cotton twine to the back of the wreath. Happy Easter! Well, this certainly was a fun challenge, and this is definitely an unusual wreath. I think it's going to complement my daughter's Easter decor just fine. She, by the way, named her little chick bunny Charlie, so we're gonna name this one Charlotte. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!